So, good morning, everyone. So, we are going to do three apps today. One would be Padlet, and the other which I selected for you all is WordWall. WordWall is specifically for interactive games and assignments, and of course, if you want to teach any particular topic, and it's really very colorful. So, since you have kids of younger age, so they will really love it. And the third one is polling. So if you want to do a very quick, question answer, then you can use a poll. So how to conduct the poll, that I'll be teaching you. So I hope everybody is on laptops today. We'll be doing a little bit of hands-on also, so that by the end of the session, you have an idea of how to go about the various apps. So I'm going to share my screen. So just let me know when the screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So you have to first go to this website called padlet.com. Just open Google and type padlet.com. If somebody can take photos during the session, we'll put it on the school website as news.
So it's the very first site, Learn to Use Padlet. That is what we need to open.
Yeah, padlet.com. So here, if you see, you will see a screen like this. And what you can do is you come to you can take up schools also, or you can click on sign up for free. It's up to you. So since I already have a login, I'll have to click on login. Otherwise, what you can do is, it's actually a paid software. So you can sign up for free. When you click on sign up for free, it offers you three options. So you can even use your Microsoft ID to sign in. Sign in, rather. Use the Microsoft ID. Very few websites allow you to use the Microsoft Office 365 ID. So since you're getting this option, use this option and you can then sign in. So
Which one, Meenu ma'am? Like I have put the padlet.com, so then
then you
it's
click
asking
on
me to sign
sign
in.
up for free.
Okay, that one is not coming for me, so it's taking me to the Google account.
So you will be getting three options. You have
It's
Google or
coming,
Microsoft or
right?
login with Apple. So you can
Apple.
take any.
Okay, okay. So the same ID will work, right?
Yeah, yeah. Only thing is, in the free account, you can have three Padlets only. But since Padlet is like one notebook, it is voluminous. You can keep on working in the same Padlet
Okay.
as long as you want.
Right.
So what is the best? Should we log in with Microsoft?
You can keep multiple accounts, ma'am. I have kept multiple accounts because I'm taking senior classes, so I do use a lot of Padlets. So since there are only three Padlets, so I use Google also and I use Microsoft also.
But right now, like since we don't have an account, so where should we open it? Like in Google or with
Microsoft. Microsoft.
All right.
Since you've already logged in using Teams, na, so your Microsoft account will be open. I'm switching off my camera. It's taking, I think, a lot of bandwidth. Okay, it's open.
So it's taking me to Let's Go. So there is some option like bookmarks.
Yeah, I'll come to that. Just let my
Yes,
dashboard also open.
sure.
Yeah, so you should get something like this.
Sorry, can everybody mute herself and himself? There is a lot of noise coming.
So you should get something like this. Have you got it? This is your dashboard.
मेरा तो प्लान पूछना शुरू हो गया. Which plan would you like
Yeah,
to
it's
throw a
वो
bit?
फ्री
asking
प्लान
for-
आपको लेना पड़ेगा मैम, वो क्योंकि
click
मेरा
on
तो
the
हाँ, you'll have to take
free
up
one.
the
वाला
free
free
plan.
लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you see here, it is telling me you've already used 2 out of 3 Padlets. So even if you delete a Padlet, it will still count as 1.
All right.
So keep that in mind.
Yeah, I got this page.
Got it? You got the screen?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. So now what you do is, for the first time, you have to make a Padlet. So you click on make a Padlet. And it will give you lots of, you can say, theme options. So what you can do is, depending on your student size, student age, you can select. I generally select a wall. You can select various options. You can have a map in the background, or you can give a timeline also. So it's up to you.
What is the difference?
It's
How
just
do we find-
it's a theme. It's a theme in the background. So you can place content along a horizontal line. Wall is, it like gives a brick-like layout. So children will be giving you, and it will appear as boxes on the wall. So like that.
Okay. It's like a screen with lines. My sumptuous palette, like yours is my glorious palette.
Yeah. Every Padlet, they give a different title. It's up to you. You can change the title. So when you open the Padlet, they will give you something like this on the right hand side. So if you want, you can change the title. If you do not get this right hand side box, you can just click here on the heading, and you will get the cursor again. So don't worry. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to share this Padlet so that you can give me your, I can show you how it works, and you can give me your thoughts also. So I'm going to add my question.
So that's the topic.
If you want, it is generally, you want to do it on a topic, or you want to discuss something. This is like a discussion forum.
Okay.
So you can click on next. That's it. So once it says start posting, so what you can do is, I'll give you the link of this. We click on share. Then you have to share it with the students. So you click on share, and if you see here, just check that this should be on. Visitors can write. Okay, if you want, you can change the privacy also. If you want to make it public that everybody can see it, you can do that. Otherwise, generally for my students, I keep it secret. Okay, so I keep it secret that only if I give you the link, only then you can access my Padlet. Otherwise, you cannot access the Padlet. So just click on share, and you can copy the link. Okay, so it will show you copied the Padlet URL to clipboard. And now I'm going to share this link on the Teams chat. So what you can do is, you can answer this question, how you're going to answer. I'll show it to you so that you can do this exercise with the students. So I'm doing it like that only.
Meenu ma'am, can you show this sharing part once again? Because I'm not able to
You
see
click
on
on share. You click on share. If
I
you
don't
see
see
this
share.
option here, share,
I don't see share.
right hand side on the top.
No, it is the title, description, of course, icon and everything, but it's modify rather than sharing. Cancel or modify or save.
So click on save first.
Okay. Yeah, it's saved, but again, it's giving me the option of
JJ
modify.
मैम आपका क्या बॉक्स खुला हुआ है?
साइड पे बॉक्स खुला हुआ है जो आपने बताया
उसको क्लोज करो, उसको क्लोज करो, उसके पीछे शेयर है.
All
When
right.
you
Start-
will close,
start
then
posting.
share.
Okay,
स्टार्ट
okay.
पोस्टिंग वाला भी कर सकते हो.
Right.
ठीक है. When you click on share, आपका यहाँ पर copy link to clipboard है. You only just have to check that visitors can write option होना चाहिए. Okay, now since you have the link, now the students have the link, how will they access this Padlet? You see this plus sign at the bottom? ठीक है, you click on this, so a box is going to open. What you can do is you can write your name and then you can write some message here. So for example, I can say, and then I write something according to the topic.
Excuse me, Meenu ma'am. After clicking on share, we got a drop box in that visitors can write is already there. After that,
हाँ, ये चेक कर लो संदीप मैम, ये होना चाहिए, कई बार
yeah,
नहीं
it is
होता.
there.
हाँ,
Then
हाँ,
what
after
is the
that you
next
will
step?
click on this option, copy link to clipboard.
Yes, done.
ठीक है, then you can go to the Teams chat and then post it. ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ as teacher. मैंने Teams के chat box में ये वाले Padlet का have posted the link. So you can click on that link and then give me your this thing. What do you call answers to this to this question. So what you can do is you can click on this plus sign at the bottom. Can you see this plus sign?
No.
Yes, yes. हाँ.
ठीक है, my mouse is hovering over it. So just click there. You will get a dialog box like this. So the first thing you can tell the students is write your names. ठीक है? And then write about the answer. Now there are lots of options available. So first write the answers and then I'll show you the options also.
Here, this was you started with the wall one, no? The first Padlet you had started with.
Anji ma'am, there are lots of themes, ma'am. You can take any one. Every Padlet will have these options.
I had opened up this box and I have written the supposedly answers. In fact, I could manage to click a photograph of myself only just to try. But उसके
Okay.
बाद सारे बाकी के links गायब हो गए हैं. So the moment
Publish किया मैम आपने?
मैं करूँ पहले publish करूँ?
हाँ जी मैम, publish करोगे तो मेरे पास आएगा.
I have done the कर दिया. I've done it.
ठीक है, मैं अभी इसको refresh करती हूँ, मेरे पास आ जाएगा.
But rest of the links have gone. मतलब I could not do anything besides this.
ये हमने ये डाल दिया. I put the answers. So देखो मेरे पास आ रहा है ये. It is showing me that it is changing, and then I click on publish. ठीक है, and I'll just refresh. So I should get yours also.
ये ऊपर नाम ही आना चाहिए या मैम टॉपिक का नाम भी आ सकता है? Where you've written Meenu.
It's up to you how you instruct your students. If you want to see the names of students, you can ask them to give the names and then topic name भी डाल दें. एक बार ही फिर करिएगा अनुराधा मैम, आपका क्योंकि आया नहीं है मेरे पास.
Publish तो कर दिया, मेरे पास से तो चला गया.
Okay, so let me wait.
पब्लिश करने पे आपकी वॉल पे कैसे जाएगा मैम?
I'm getting the share option. Shall I do that as well?
No, I have shared the link with you. Acha, are you doing it on my link?
No, I'm doing it on my own.
Acha, that is yours thing. But if you do it through my link, you will be able to see your answer here also. See, right now you're both the teacher and the student, so you'll have to do both.
Meenu ma'am, from where can I access the link that you're working on?
It is in the chat box, the
So
Teams chat
actually,
box.
since I joined through the link, when I'm going back, there is no chat option of this meeting that's coming in my
Ma'am,
system.
आपने कैसे join किया है?
Going
कौन
through
सी
the
किया
link.
है?
The link that I got for this meeting, I joined through that.
No. How are you joining through phone or through laptop?
Padlet is on the laptop, but this is through phone. So MS Teams.
That is why. On the phone, you will not get the chat box.
I
You will
do so.
get it only on the laptop.
Got it, ma'am. Got it. Okay.
Same is with me, Meenu. That is why I think I'm not able to access your link
Okay.
because I'm working on the laptop, but I'm going through this workshop on my phone.
I also can't see the chat box on the laptop also, Meenu ma'am.
यहाँ पर देखो मैम, ऊपर है ये कन्वर्सेशन, यहाँ पर क्लिक करो, you will see the conversation.
मेरा तो वो वाला पेज खुला हुआ है ना, Padlet खुला हुआ है, so I don't know.
नहीं Teams के chat में जाओ.
It will take a little time, but it opens.
Okay. Somebody can take this link and put it on the WhatsApp group. You people must be having a WhatsApp group, so if you can do that, so people joining through phone then can access this link.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, so see if you can see here, people have started responding. So I have Anshu ma'am's and Neetu ma'am's answers. So what you can also do is, this is the perfect time where I can show you the options. So if you see the 3 dots, when you click on the plus sign, this box will open. On the 3 dots, you have lots of options available. You can upload a photo or a file. You can open the camera. So this will ask you to, when you click on the camera, for the first time, it will ask you permission to start the camera, to access the camera. Once you say that, so if you see here, it is accessing my camera. So I can take my photo. Yeah, so it is going to save. So the photo will also get uploaded. So then I can write something. So you can ask the student to do that also. At the same time, you have something called as a video recorder also and an audio recorder also. You can give, if you recorded something through screen, you can do that here also and then show it to the students also. And then of course you have the drawing board here, so you can draw something and if you want to show it to them. So at the same time, while you are taking their observations, the students' observations, you can at the same time teach them also that particular concept. So all these options are available. So you can add something from Spotify also, YouTube, any images or any song from Spotify, that is also possible. You can check this video recorder also. It's really nice. I have used this option. For the first time, it will ask you for your permission. So just click here. Hello all. We are doing Padlet today. So this is going to ask you. So you can save this and yeah, this is nice. Who sent this? The name is not visible. So
I have sent.
Okay.
Neetu Quadro.
Okay, nice. So there are lots of options. At the same time, the children are responding to you, and you have the option of also doing lots of things. So if you see here, this is the link. So in the link also you can type and paste the link of a video if you want, any YouTube video you would like to share with them. So the link of also you can share with them, so they can watch the video. So on this you can do everything. So you need not go to different tabs. You need not do that.
Ma'am, I have a question here. Good morning, good afternoon, Meenu ma'am. I have a question here.
Yes,
Ma'am, Teams maybe we can do all these things. So what is the difference between Padlet and Teams here? It is only to explore a new software.
नो मैम, एक्चुअली क्या है, टीम्स में आप जो है आप पोस्ट्स में ये मंगा सकते हो, बट देन पोस्ट्स अलग जगह है, सो स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू नेविगेट। या फिर वन नोट में, आप वन नोट जो है, आप अगर आप देखोगे वन नोट में आपका कई बारी जो वीडियोस हैं वो नहीं चलती। वीडियोस तो कभी पोस्ट हुई नहीं है जो मैंने देखी हैं, इमेजेस हो जाती हैं, वीडियोस मैंने नहीं देखी चलती हुई वन नोट में। सो हियर यू
Ma'am,
कैन,
in chat box, through chat box, we can share our views. Like I can post, I can share any question with students, and they can write their answers in chat box also.
यस, सो व्हाट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना मैम, आपका एक जगह नहीं है, अलग अलग जगह है। पैडलेट में क्या है, सिंस यू हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल इन वन प्लेस, यू कैन यूज इट, इट्स अप टू यू। इफ यू फील मोर कंफर्टेबल यूजिंग टीम्स, you can continue using teams. This will just be a little bit of deviation from the monotonous, you know, the same thing that you carry.
Okay.
So it becomes a
So
little different and students like it.
it provides all features of Teams plus extra features also.
Yeah, so the extra features, ma'am, see,
Okay.
Spotify you can't have in this thing. You can give it as a link. So it's giving you an option of, you can give a Spotify, you can give a link, you can give a YouTube link, you can record your audio. So all that in Teams is not available. Audio recording, you will have to record it and then upload it as a file. So here you recording the audio and uploading it at the same time. So you don't have to go anywhere else. I'm saying that.
Thanks, ma'am.
So what you can do is, you can check for some probably some YouTube this thing. Let me see if I have any YouTube link. So if I have this, so I can just copy the link. So I'm just taking the link, and here I am putting the link. So this one, so I can just publish this. So here itself, the link will come and students can view it here itself. So what happens is, every student can watch this through their wall also. If you are not taking the class, so they can access this Padlet, and then they can watch it later on also. So though you are doing all of this, you sharing the links through WhatsApp and everything, so this is there in one place. So you can access it, students can access it later on. Just 8 people have responded. What about the others? So here you can search for an image also. So if I say,
Meenu ma'am,
Anji,
we have to do it with the same laptop. No, I did this mistake. I thought मैं आपकी instructions एक पे देखती हूँ और Padlet एक पे खोलती हूँ. So that's the confusion here. Now I'm trying to do it on this laptop.
Okay. So I'll show you the different features. You have an option called image search here. You can just click here, okay, and then you can type the name where you whose image you want to check for. So I have typed Qutub Minar, so I can just click on one of the images और वो image आ जाएगी. So it's very easy in one place. You can get everything. And then of course, whatever you discussing with students, you can show that. Hanji?
Excuse me, Meenu ma'am. Like what you posted, your name is coming, Shweta, Shiba ma'am, Sneh, Neetu, Anshu ma'am. But when I posted a message, it's useful to share various resources. My name is not visible.
नहीं मैम, आपको टाइप करना पड़ेगा. So first option आपको देना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर.
Okay, so first I have to type my name and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meenu ma'am, Just one thing again, I think I missed that. When you open that page, Padlet one, it's there on my screen.
Okay.
So how do I start typing in whatever I want, the question
Yeah,
and
this
all
is
that?
the plus sign. Acha, this question.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, the
you can
plus
just
sign.
click here. Just click here.
1 minute. Let me see yours.
So when you click here, either you will get a cursor here itself, or you will get a box on the right hand side.
Acha, let me check. Yes.
And then in the title, you can change the question. Just give a double click on the question.
कर्सर तो आ रहा है मैम, लेकिन टाइप नहीं हो रहा.
अच्छा, तो राइट हैंड साइड पे फिर आपका बॉक्स खुलेगा मैम. वो 2 मिनट टाइम ले रहा है. 2 मिनट टाइम ले रहा है आज. आई डोंट नो व्हाई द वाईफाई इज टेकिंग टाइम.
हाँ, आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. ठीक है मैम, आई विल ट्राई इट.
ठीक है. So go, just click on the plus and you can access the various options here. So do a screen recording, video recording. Again, I am reminding you, when you do it for the first time, audio recorder and video recorder, it is going to ask you for permission. Okay, so give access to it. Just click on give access and then you can do your recording, or whether it's audio recording or video recording. You can also include another Padlet here. So just click on Padlet and you can give the link of the Padlet, or if you know the name of that particular Padlet, you can include that also. This of course you can do later on when you've already created 2-3 Padlets. So Mrinal has written a long this thing, the lockdown.
Meenu ma'am, this particular box, which is right now on the screen, has appeared by clicking on search images.
Plus, and then you have 3 dots here. When you click on plus, this box will open. Then you have this pink box where you have the 3 dots.
One. Yeah, I have reached till that box, but I didn't, actually see where this, particular box has appeared
There's a particular name for these 3 dots. I'm forgetting that name. It's a very complex name. I forget every time.
Okay.
Meenu ma'am.
Yeah.
Here are lots of options in terms of uploading image, so on and so forth, right? So since the kids are pretty young, what if we want them not to access any particular options of these? For instance, images. So can we block some of these from getting published?
No. Okay. Right now it's not there. Then probably for that particular lesson, don't take up Padlet.
Okay, all right.
You can then use WordWall. I'll show you WordWall. You can use WordWall there.
Okay, ma'am. Also, if I put another Padlet in this current one, will it be shown side by side? Say I'm taking responses.
It will be shown as a link, ma'am. The children can click on the link and then they go to that Padlet.
So it's same as introducing a Padlet from the start.
If you want them to access the second Padlet, it's just a link. So it's same as giving a link for a video or an image or something else. So Padlet, they will be taken to another Padlet.
Okay, so Padlet is not like skimming through the pages one to the other. They're always separate Padlets only.
Yeah.
And ma'am, once like this kind of we took up today question and all the responses. So is it kind of saved somewhere?
Yeah, this will be saved. So if you see my dashboard, I'll go back and I'll show you which I did with my Springdale. The students are now in class 12. So I started this Padlet when I was in class, when these students were in class 11th. So I'm coming back to the dashboard. So I'm using the same Padlet with them. So if you see, all of them have given their answers. So it will be there and you can view it anytime. As long as they have the link, the students can also view it. So if you see, I keep asking them to keep adding to the Padlet whenever I give them a question. So like this. Generally I want them to, you know, send me the answer. So instead of the WhatsApp, what I generally do is I ask them to give it to me on WhatsApp. So sometimes I don't want the WhatsApp, so I ask them to post the answers on this thing, the Padlet. So in that way at least I get most of them to answer. WhatsApp, then most of them don't send me the answers, but Padlet, they still end up sending me the answers.
So Meenu ma'am, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. I'll ask later. Yeah.
That's okay. We'll go on. I'll ask later.
All right. So Meenu ma'am, as you said, right now we are using three, the free Padlets, so 3 of them only. And you just showed your screen where the kids are giving their answers. So they are adding on to their points into the same Padlet again and again.
Yes.
But then,
so now when you click on the plus sign again, you can add another observation. So I can just say, I can add my name again. So suppose I've given them like another question or something. So in this, I'm asking them to click the photo. So they are clicking the photo or doing the screen recording and then sending it. So that's another observation in the same Padlet. So you can keep on working with the Padlet. If you want to purchase it, it's 1,000 rupees for the entire year.
So their answers will appear in their same box, original box, which they started with.
No, this will be a different box.
But then it will be on the same screen, so you'll have to scroll and find on the answers, right?
Yeah, that you will have to do.
Meenu ma'am, as an owner of the this Padlet, can I remove any answer if that is not appropriate?
Ma'am, there is an option called delete also here, and you can approve or reject some posts also. So that you can do.
Right. Thank you.
So if you see here, I have given one Padlet, one option here, and then one option here, Meenu Kumar here, and then another photo here. So you have these options. Every time a new box can be created. Sorry, the one who was asking me.
Can you hear me?
बिंदु बाली मैम.
Sorry.
हम लोग हिंदी लेते हैं जैसे, तो हिंदी के लिए ये फिजिबल है, मींस बच्चे हिंदी में तो नहीं लिख सकते आंसर.
नहीं मैम, पर वो फोटो आप खिंचवा सकते हो, या अगर कुछ वो बोलना चाह रहे हो तो वो आप उनसे यहाँ पर बुलवा के उनकी वीडियो डलवा सकते हो.
अच्छा.
आप अगर कोई उनको कोई वीडियो दिखाना चाहते हो तो आप यहाँ इसके थ्रू दिखा सकते हो, पैडलेट के थ्रू. सो ये हो जाता है, आप पूरा एक लेसन प्लान इसके थ्रू बनाकर उनके साथ स्क्रीन ये लिंक शेयर कर सकते हो. सो वो पूरा लेसन उनका तैयार होता है. कई बार होता है ना, आप एक पूरा लेसन बनाते हो.
हाँ जी.
जिसमें आपको वीडियो दिखानी है और फिर कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देनी है.
सो वो आप पीपीटी शो करते हैं बच्चों को. सो इट इज
सॉरी
सेम अदरवाइज.
सॉरी, आपकी आवाज कट गई मैम.
मैम जैसे हम
आप जैसे पीपीटी दिखाते हैं ना मैम, सो वो पीपीटी जो है आप एज अ फाइल यहाँ शेयर कर सकते हो. पीपीटी में आपकी वीडियोस होती हैं, वो वीडियोस का आप लिंक यहाँ डाल सकते हो. सो पूरी की पूरी पीपीटी आप ऑब्वियसली बच्चों के साथ बाद में शेयर कर सकते हो. उसकी जगह आप बस एक पैडलेट का लिंक शेयर कर सकते हो. उसमें ये फायदा ये है कि आपका पीपीटी जो है, जो स्पेस लेता है इतना ज्यादा, वो स्पेस नहीं लेगा. ये एक सिर्फ एक लिंक होगा जो जाएगा बच्चों के पास.
अच्छा, just Meenu, tell me one thing. Now in the camera option, we can only click the photograph.
नहीं मैम, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी है. वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी है. ये देखिए, ये 3 डॉट्स है ना, इस पे क्लिक करेंगे. So you will have this video recorder option also.
No, but if we have to put some photograph and from the Google, we have to search and find the photograph.
So you can click on image search. Web search भी है और image search भी है मैम इसमें. एक सेकेंड. Image search ये रही option मैम, ये वाली. You can see the mouse. So this is the image search. यहाँ पर आप क्लिक करिए, write the name of the image you want to check and just press enter. It will show you all the images.
Okay, that's wonderful.
And then select your image. As soon as you select your image, the image will come on the, if you can see, it's uploading. हाँ जी मैम, बोलिए.
मीनू मैम, I just lost connect due to network. मेरी स्क्रीन पे मुझे जो लिखा हुआ है वो नजर आ रहा है. Why can't I share it with you even on pressing the share button?
नहीं मैम, शेयर बटन पे क्लिक करके you have to send the link in the chat box.
Publish.
हाँ, वो लिंक. अच्छा नहीं, आप मेरे इस पे पैडलेट पे काम कर रहे हो? You working on this Padlet? Positives of the lockdown?
I opened my own, but how do I send it to you?
हाँ, so you will click on the share button. On the share button, you have something called as copy link to clipboard. This link you will click here. So you will get a message called copied Padlet URL to your clipboard. Then you go to the Teams chat box.
Teams chat box. Okay.
ठीक है, और यहाँ पर Control V करके पेस्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, and then you of course press enter. So ये Padlet का लिंक आ जाएगा. So if you see transport with to learn is fun, I think नीतन मैम ने भेजा है. वो भी लिंक आया हुआ है.
Okay, so I said that. Is it visible?
हाँ जी, आ गया. जीवन ज्योत process made with something आ रहा है.
I don't know क्या 2-3 चीजें की. I don't know finally what has reached.
चलो let me see this. मैंने क्लिक किया है.
It was actually earlier I started with a science topic when you said वो अपना नाम लिख के and you said about the lockdown, then I wrote that. So I don't know what has actually gone.
Process of photosynthesis. पेपर में लगे रहो.
I actually started with that. But उसके बाद मैंने दोबारा भी किया, वो पता नहीं आपको इसी में ही पहुंचेगा या क्या. A little confusing for now.
ये मेरे को Padlet इसलिए भी अच्छा लगता है because then if you planning your entire lesson in the Padlet ना, you don't have to share the entire PPT with students. आप जो है it will be going as a link and this is saved on the cloud, so वो आपकी जगह नहीं लेता. So that is also one of the reasons I liked Padlet. Yeah, I think जीवन ज्योत मैम आपका Padlet खुल रहा है.
Okay.
Yeah, process of photosynthesis.
I gave that heading already, but then when you said that it's about the lockdown period, that is when I wrote that. तो ये complete वो चीज आपको पहुंच गई है.
Okay. चलो इसमें मैं फोटो डाल देती हूँ.
फोटो भी like you said वो 3 dots में से लेके आप डाल रहे हो.
हाँ, आप 3 dots में जाएंगे ना, so you can see, if you see मैंने यहाँ YouTube में ढेर सारे ये वीडियोस के लिंक्स आ गए हैं. मैं इमेजेस पे चली जाती हूँ, so मुझे इमेज दिखा देगा. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
हाँ, so वो इमेज दिखा देगा, so I can choose any one image.
So Meenu ma'am, as you are saying, it saves your space. वो PowerPoint आपको नहीं डालना है, and just with the link. So with the link you mean आपकी images चली गई, videos चले गए, and साथ के साथ your question answer thing is done.
हाँ जी मैम, हाँ जी. If you want, you can एक बॉक्स में आप अपने questions भी डाल सकते हो. So अपने questions डाल दिए आपने एक बॉक्स में, जैसे मृणाल ने ये लंबा सा लिखा है, आप बॉक्स में अपने questions डाल दीजिए, वो दिखेगा बच्चों को. और you can give a video recording also. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके आप questions डाल दीजिए. So students can answer the questions here itself.
Right. The same way as you are telling कि हम video link share करके उस पे डाल देते हैं, तो same way is there no way of uploading the PPT here directly on Padlet?
नहीं मैम, एक फाइल अपलोड आप कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आप फाइल का एटलीस्ट लिंक तो दे ही सकते हो.
Okay.
ये देखो यहाँ पर अपलोड का ऑप्शन है ना, सो अपलोड के ऑप्शन में यू कैन डू दी, यू कैन आइदर अपलोड द पीपीटी एज अ पीडीएफ और एटलीस्ट यू कैन गिव द पीपीटी, यू कैन अपलोड द पीपीटी ऑन वन ड्राइव एंड गिव द लिंक हियर. दोनों ऑप्शंस हैं, ये आपकी मर्जी, आप क्या यूज करना चाह रहे हो.
Right, right. And they can access it anytime. Till the time, I mean, you have shared it till that time. Till
So if you click on the upload option, so it's showing me my own computer, so I can upload the file from here also. So either it can be an PPT or it can be a PDF or any other file.
And once you want to block this Padlet, then
you want to drop the Padlet, you want to delete it.
Block the Padlet. No more, working on it.
So then what you can do is, you can go to share and then make it as a private one. If you click on change privacy, okay, and make it private.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Or you can put a password. So unless and until anybody knows the password, then they can't open it.
Right.
Meenu ma'am, I've shared a link in the chat box. Can you please try opening it?
Yeah. this is nice.
Okay.
आ गया संदीप मैम?
हाँ, thank you, thank you. So it's very interesting, like language teachers can also use it like for describing words and all those grammar.
It becomes a complete lesson plan where you can, add lots of things. अगर आपका कोई quiz भी आपने बनाया हुआ है, जैसे Google form पे आप कोई quiz लेना चाह रहे हो, you can share the link here itself. So वो 10 जगह जो आपको जाना पड़ता है ना, वो मुझे लगा कि at least for a teacher जो 10 जगह जाना पड़ता है, वो एक ही जगह सब कुछ आ गया है.
But मीनू मैम answers are visible to all. जैसे quiz की बात आप कर रहे हो.
नहीं मैम, क्विज तो फिर वो लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे ना, then they go to the quiz and they answer the quiz.
अच्छा, the link here that you have posted. Okay, I thought with that link वो जैसे हमने ये boxes में answers दिए हैं अपने वो सब आ रहे हैं.
ये तो आप जनरल
discussion
कर सकते हो बच्चों के साथ.
Right.
So this would be a little different from the the usual lessons that you are taking. Word wall इससे भी ज़्यादा interesting होगा, and trust me, your children will not like leaving word wall once you start with it. Is this okay? Now can we proceed for the next one? Are there any more questions? So you've got the hang of it?
Yeah, sort of actually.
Okay, you just have to remember when you click on the plus sign, okay, so you have all these options here. You can click on the 3 dots and you can use any of the options here. So you just have to go according to what you have in your mind, according to your lesson, and then you can add on to it. That's it. So we'll go to the second one. This is word wall. So take another tab on Google and now type in wordwall.net.
We have to log in again.
Yes, just a minute. If once everyone comes to it, then I'll tell you. You have to sign up. Now, another thing that I want to tell you, because I've been using WordWall for some time now, this allows you to use only 5 word walls in the free plan. And क्योंकि आज हम बहुत सारे word walls खोलेंगे, so आपके वो 5 use up हो जाएंगे. So and even if you delete, it will still count them as one. So आपने 2 email IDs रखिएगा, so that you can use the second one.
I can open it with Google now. Sign in with Google.
हाँ जी. So when you click on sign up, this will send an verification email to the email that you put in. Okay, since I've already used my plan, so I'm going to use another email today.
After signing, it's showing create your activity. I've reached to that wall.
Just coming in. I'm just coming in. Just let me log in.
Is it wordwall.com or wordwall.net?
.net.
Wordwall.net.
Just a second.
there are a whole lot of activities once we have pressed on create your first activity here.
I'm just telling you, we'll begin with an easier one so
Right.
that you know.
So what do you suggest we open?
1 second, why it's asking me for a wrong password. Just a second.
All right.
Acha, I have to, okay, probably I had not signed up yesterday, that's why. Yeah.
So mine, it has directly taken through the Google account. I mean,
You had logged in actually through the Google account. I have not logged in through any of my accounts. That's why probably.
All right.
Yeah. So you will get a dashboard like this. Okay, everybody's reached here?
Yes, got it, got it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yes, we have.
So when you click on create activity, there are lots of activities in the free this thing plan, and the other ones are in the paid plan. It is quite cheap this thing app. It is only 200 rupees per month. So if you want to go for it, you can go for it also. I'm going to start with the easiest one, which is called Anagram. So we'll click on Anagram, and then this will open. Have you got it? Should I tell you again?
Yes, we have reached.
Okay, so just click on create activity and then click on Anagram. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Activity
here
type.
you can give the activity name. Okay, and here you can give instructions also if you want to give any instructions. Okay, and otherwise you can give some clues, or you can do with clues or without clues. So with every phrase you will have to give clues. So it's up to you. You want to give clues or you don't want to give clues. So right now I'm going to go with without clues. So I'm going to type car, and then I click on add a phrase. So here I'm going to type train. Okay, so if you see, the maths people can also add, you can have your superscript and subscript also, and you can add a symbol also, and you can make it bold also. So these options are also available. You can, using these three options here, you can drag it up and down also. So that is also possible. The second one allows you to calculate, to create a duplicate. Okay, and then the third one, of course, you can delete it also. Okay, so I'm going to
Add वाला मैम बताना एक बार और.
add a phrase है.
नहीं, on the right side. Yeah.
हाँ, ये डुप्लीकेट कर देता है मैम. सो अगर जैसे आपने टाइप नहीं करना तो आप डुप्लीकेट करके इसमें अगर कोई एक आधा चेंज करना चाहते हो, वर्ड आपका बहुत मिलता जुलता है ना, तो आप वो यूज कर सकते हो. यू डोंट हैव टू कॉपी पेस्ट. आपका लॉन्ग सेंटेंस है तो कॉपी पेस्ट करने के बजाय यू कैन डुप्लीकेट इट ऑल्सो.
Right.
So like this, and then when I click on done, okay, so I'm going to teach you how to share it with the students first before starting. You see this option, share? You see this option?
Huh.
So click on share, okay, and then you can give it as a set assignment or you can make it public. But in the public thing is that, you know, everybody, can then access it. So other teachers can access it, and everybody on word wall can also access it. So if you want to do it only with your students, you can click on set assignment. Okay, now at the time of registration, that means when the student clicks on the link, they will be mandatory asked to enter their names. You can either set this option, or if you don't want the names, then you can take it anonymous. Okay,
Ma'am, this has come when you have clicked on done button, right?
No, ma'am, I have got this when I have clicked on done button. Then it was asking me to start the anagram. I did not start it. I just scroll down and I have share option.
Share. Okay. Okay.
So just click on share, and then you click on the second option, my students. So you have set assignment here. Okay, when you click on assignment, set assignment, it will take you to the assignment setup. Okay, so here you can ask the students to enter their names, or you can ask them to remain anonymous. That setting you have. Then you can set up a deadline. It's up to you. You can set up the time and the date. Okay, and if you want to show the leaderboard, the top 3, the top 5, you can show that to students also. Okay, and if you want them to play it only once, not do it again and again, you can leave this option, start again. Show answers, I would obviously want my students to know the answers at the end of the game. So, okay, so it's up to you how you want to do it. If you want them to play again and again, you can take that also. Now, when you click on start, okay, you will get this link. So they can just copy, you can just copy this link and again set it on the Teams chat box. So I have copied this link. Now, another thing that I wanted to tell you, which is one advantage I liked about WordWall, was that students need not have any account in WordWall. So that is not required. Now, how will it show to the students? So you can see this here. I'm going to start with the game. So it has music also. This will play the music. Can you hear the music?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So if the student does it wrong, okay, so it's going to not accept that. Okay, so for the next one, now I'm going to do something wrong. So see, it's going to tell me that it's wrong. Okay, so like this. Okay, now once you've done this, one of the best features you can do is the same game. You can, with a few changes, convert it into another template. So if you see here, you have this thing on the right side saying switch template. Can you see?
Yes.
So just click on this. So it's going to show you where all you can switch. So you can use flip tiles, or you can, since you already done anagram, you can use flip tiles. So as students will flip, and then of course you can talk about it. So this you can do. And then you can shuffle this also. This obviously on this particular activity, this obviously will not be very good. But when I do the other ones, I'll show you how it can be the template you can switch.
I've sent it to you, ma'am. एक मिनट खोल के देखना in case that is the way it should be.
ये वाला?
I guess. हाँ जी, मेरा ये.
Okay.
So इस पे how to switch template? We'll have to go back to the main wall, right?
इसमें एक second. When you click here, when you are here, okay, on the right hand side you have the small box.
Right. So this was on the very first page. When I started with the activity, that means I'll have to come back to the main.
नहीं नहीं मैम, come back करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Even on the, when you're doing this activity and it stops, you know, on the right hand side you get this switch template option. So when you click on show all, it will show you the various options that are available with this game.
Right.
So if you're on your dashboard, suppose here I click on my activities, I am on my dashboard. Okay, this is my this thing. I can change this thing also. View also, I can make it public also. It's up to me. Since I wanted it for my students, so I've taken it as for my students only. So here, if you see, you can duplicate also. And with a little more changes, you can use the same anagram and then give it to students. So you need not create it from scratch.
Meenu ma'am, please repeat this one. From where did you get
Go
that
to my
slide?
activities, click on my activities. So you come back to the dashboard.
Right.
So this is like if in a class we want to use it, we have to set it up and probably put the link in the chat box beforehand.
Yeah, that preparation you'll have to do, ma'am.
तो ये chat box में पहले से होना चाहिए so that we can open and show it to.
नहीं, आप link अपने पास बना के रख लो, ma'am. What I do is I generally copy the link and keep it in a properly text file and everything. During the class, I just open the text file and copy the link from there and then post it in the chat box.
All right.
That saves my time actually. That
exactly,
saves my
because then if you tend to create or start with the activity, create a link, that will take 5 to 7 minutes at least.
Yeah.
And ma'am, like other links we post, so is it the link is time bound or how it goes?
It depends on the settings that you have done, ma'am. When you click on this means of transport, this activity. Okay, so if you click on share button, in the share button, I've set assignment. You have this option deadline. Okay. So if you've set the deadline, then the link will expire. If you have not set the deadline, then the link will not expire. Students, if you've given this option start again, then students can play again and again using the same link. Okay. So I'll go to another one now. We'll do something called as math. I know you would be using it a lot. So the maths teachers can use this. So I'm going to take pairs of, you can say different items. Okay. So you can add images also here. It's up to you. You can add images. They can choose the image also. Students, you have that option. So I'm just giving very simple questions. So you have to give the answer here.
Meenu ma'am, from where you got this pairs of identical items, pairs of different items? Because in mine, it's coming without clues, with clues.
Sorry,
just below instruction.
यहाँ पर create activity में ना matching pairs लेना. इसमें 2-3 चीजें हैं matching में. Matching pairs लेना.
हाँ जी. Thank you.
ठीक है, the same thing is here. You can put images also. Okay. And you can add your superscript and subscript, and you can add your symbols also, make it bold also. The same thing, you can bring it up and down, create a duplicate, or you can delete it also. The same thing happens here also. Now I'm going to click on done.
Meenu ma'am, is it the same word wall being used, or it's the second one now with the second activity?
This is a second one. I've created a second activity.
Okay, so which means second word wall.
Yeah, you go to create activity. Take a new one. I took up create activity.
So out of the 5 that we have, this is the second one, right?
Hanji.
I'll have to reopen the word wall again because I just lost that page completely.
तो wordwall.net डालो मैम. If you're already logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard only.
Right. जी.
So here I'm going to restart. So they're going to see it like this. So now they have to find the pairs. So this is 2. So this is wrong. So they have to remember now. 12 divided by 6 is 2. This is correct. Similarly, 5. So this is correct. So they have to do the matching like this. ठीक है? So there is one interesting change to this. If you see the switch template, the maze chase I really liked. So you can use this. I'll show you maze chase. The same option, I'm giving it in maze chase now. So what happens is
one thing.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Like if a child is attempting all this, any of this, so the answers are recorded somewhere, like the earlier one.
हाँ जी मैम, वो my results में जाएगा.
With their names.
हाँ जी. If you have given that option in the share, record name, student enter name. अगर anonymous है तो नहीं जाएगा. If you have given enter name, so वो name के साथ जाएगा.
ठीक
है. So you can see the results. So this option of matching pairs, now I'm changing it to maze chase. Okay, and then let me show it to you. See, this will this I know your students will love. So what they will get is, now they have to take 5 to the matching boxes. Okay, this is the one, and they have to take this to the matching box. So if you see, if you're not able to get eaten up. Like this. I think your students will enjoy doing this.
Meenu ma'am, Pac-Man याद आ गया.
Sorry?
Pac-Man याद आ गया. Video game से ले गए आप.
So next answer is 60. अब 60 को मैच कराना है. किसके साथ मैच कराना है? अब देखो. Now they have to. अब मैं गलत के ऊपर जाती हूँ. Let me take it to the wrong one. So it will give you. So again now you get an option.
So maze chase mainly would be for maths, or we can do.
आपकी मर्जी है जे मैम आप कैसे करते हो. सी मैं आपको एग्जांपल्स देती हूँ. How you do it in the class वो आपकी क्रिएटिविटी हो गई.
Can we use it in science and all also?
हाँ, I did silkworm and sheep and wool yesterday when I was practicing for you people ना कि मैं क्या एक्टिविटी कराऊंगी. तो मैंने उसमें silkworm और silk दिया था. तो silk को silkworm के साथ मैच करना था. तो वो आपकी मर्जी है आप कैसे करते हो. So if I want, I can do anything also. Edit content में जाती हूँ मैं. ठीक है. Edit as matching pairs कर देती हूँ. और यहाँ पर मैं इसको ये ले लेती हूँ जैसे शीप हो गया और ये वुल हो जाएगा आपका.
Right.
So the same word wall can be used for similar activity with different options.
आपको you don't have to purchase it. You can make changes. So ये maze chase में आप जाओगे. So ये ऐसे आ जाएगा. ठीक है. अब आपका जैसे सिल्क आया. They have to match it with silkworm. ठीक है. Then we can have it as a find the match also. Find the match में आप क्लिक करोगे. वही है. And अब जो है they will get the. So they have to match wool with any of these. So I'll say silkworm suppose, so it gives me wrong. So then I click on. leather, then snake. So like this.
मीनू मैम इसे हम हिंदी में भी कर सकते हैं अगर हम हिंदी टाइपिंग करके इसको पेस्ट कर दे तो?
इमेजेस डाल लेना, आप इमेजेस डाल लेना यहाँ पर। एक सेकेंड, एडिट कंटेंट हुआ ना, सो आप यहाँ पर इमेजेस डाल लेना मैम। ये इमेजेस का ऑप्शन है ना, तो इमेजेस डाल लीजिएगा।
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
देखिए ये आपकी इमेजेस आ गई, तो आप इमेजेस डाल लो। आपके सिस्टम पे इमेजेस है तो यहाँ पर अपलोड के ऑप्शन से क्लिक कर लो।
जी ठीक है मैम, ठीक है।
सो ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस आर देयर। एक सेकेंड
मीनू मैम।
हाँ जी मैम।
We are playing Kahoot with kids. So it's the same way they play, but the problem is they don't know how to split screen and do it with one gadget. So they have to bring the another gadget.
एक गैजेट के लिए नहीं है मैम, वो 2 गैजेट्स के लिए है। सो ये एक ड्रॉबैक है Kahoot का। वर्ड वॉल मुझे इसलिए अच्छा लगा बिकॉज उसमें मल्टीपल गैजेट्स नहीं चाहिए।
बट मैम ये भी मैचिंग पेयर्स या ये क्विज खेलने के लिए भी दे आई थिंक दे नीड अनदर गैजेट।
नहीं मैम, नहीं, आप तो लिंक दे रहे हो ना उनको, तो वो खेल सकते हैं अपने सिस्टम पे। और वो लिंक आप क्लास के टाइम खिलवा रहे हो या बाद में खिलवा रहे हो, या आपके ऊपर है।
Playing in the class is difficult then in that case if they don't know how to split the screen.
If they are doing it from the phone, then it becomes difficult. On the laptop, they can take another tile like this, like I'm doing right now. On the laptop, it is not difficult. Phone, yes, it is difficult.
Ma'am, one more thing. ये जो आपने match pair में there were 2 options here: pairs of identical items, pairs of different items.
हाँ।
तो इसका क्या difference है?
मैम प्रोबेबली वो टाइप के हिसाब से चल रहे होंगे। मेरे सब्जेक्ट में ये इसका मतलब नहीं था, तो मैंने डिफरेंट भी ले लिया, और आइडेंटिकल में दोनों एक ही चीज चल रही है
दोनों से।
तो आपकी मर्जी, आप क्या लेते हो।
ठीक।
एक मैचअप भी है, मैं वो दिखा देती हूँ। सो मैचअप में उनको बॉक्सेस की तरह मिलता है लाइक दिस। ओके, सो यू हैव टू मैच इट। सो लाइक सिल्क, अब मैं गलत देती हूँ, यहाँ डालती हूँ like this. So when they click on submit answers, so they get to see the answers like this. ठीक है, so ये these are all the ones which are available. आप flip tiles मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। So flip tiles में क्या है, they have to flip. So probably you can talk about this. आप flip करके you can talk about this option कि snake से leather मिलता है, and then you can talk in the class itself. So then you can eliminate, ये चला गया, then you can talk about the second one. You can say silk कहाँ से आता है, from where you getting silk, and then you can flip and tell them the answer. So probably you can do that. So it's up to you. Like that. So I'm going to my activities now. For the history and the geography teachers, suppose you want to use a map, okay, and you want to do map plotting with them. You want to give them that experience of map plotting. So that option is also available here. Click on create activity, and you have something called as label diagram. You see this? Label diagram? Okay, so click here. Okay, and it will ask you to add an image first. Okay, so here I'm going to say ocean. Suppose I'm going to ask them to recognize the oceans, and then I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to upload the image from my desktop. So yeah, so I have a physical map of India. Now, as soon as you upload the image, you see this one here. Okay, just click and drag it where you want. So I suppose I want it here. So this one would be, now I give the answer. what will 1 stand for? So this is the Indian Ocean. Okay, then I click on add another label. So as soon as I do that, I get 2. So again, I click and drag. So this is the Bay of Bengal. Yeah. And then I add another label, and as soon as I do that, I get number 3. So I can just click and drag it here. So this is the Arabian Sea. Okay. So these are the 3 options here, and then of course you can click on done. So they'll get it like this. So now they have to match it. So they just have to click and then drag. Don't worry if the lines are crisscrossing. This will automatically adjust. So then they have to click on submit answers, and they'll see the right and the wrong answer like this. So the same way you have opened the box I had liked. So if you were discussing this in class, you can click on this, and then you can talk about Bay of Bengal. So this is just, you can convert one quiz type of activity into a kind of discussion. So then you can talk about Bay of Bengal, and then you can click on the next box, and then you can talk about the next one also. So the same activity, you can convert it into something else like this. Open the box, matching pairs. Okay, there's another one which I wanted to show you. Okay, so this is, yeah. So the English teachers, if you want it for, you unjumble the sentences or arrange them in the right order. If you want to teach that, then you can do this. Now you'll have to give me some sentences.
In the correct order, no?
Yeah, you have to give the correct order here, and jumbling the computer word wall will do it for you.
Okay, so anything. I went to the beach.
Okay, so we'll start with this. So if you see, it is unjumbled like this. It is jumbled like this. So as long as you don't give the correct order, okay, so it's not going to move forward. Okay, so then you go to next. So again, I'm giving a wrong one, so it's not changing color. When you give the right order, then it will change color. Like this. So I think there will be something for everybody here. All teachers must be having something here. If you want to upgrade, then you can, it is asking for just 200 rupees per month, so it's up to you. If you want to upgrade.
Basic mein, what is this 18 interactives?
Sorry?
Basic mein, there was some option like 18 interactives.
Yeah, this one. When you click on create activity, these are called your interactives.
Achha.
Actually, what happens is you can also, print your anagrams into a PDF file, and you can keep it with you. So later on, if you want to use it in your theory classes, you can do that. But in the basic plan, it is not available. You can, download your activities as a PDF and keep it, especially the matching pairs and anagrams and unjumbling the sentences. You can take it as a PDF also. So that is available in the standard plan.
That's reasonable. Iska to reasonable hai.
Yeah.
Ma'am, from where to share the link?
Which link, ma'am?
Link for this quiz or?
हाँ, so when you have clicked on that link ना, आपने ये बना लिया, ठीक है? You have this option called share. Share पे click करो. Then you click on other teachers. If you want to make it public, you can do this. Or if you want to share it with your students only, click on set assignment. यहाँ पर you can have enter name. तो वो results में आपका नाम आएगा, ठीक है? बच्चे का नाम rather. नहीं तो if you want the student to remain anonymous, so you can choose anonymous. I would suggest you take enter name. Then you can give a deadline, so the link will expire after the deadline. And then you can give the leaderboard, and if you want the child to play again and again, you can give this option start again. Otherwise, इसको छोड़ देना. Then click on start. So you will get this link. Copy paste this link on your Teams chat. So this will go to the student.
Right, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, how can we assign marks for a particular activity?
हाँ जी मैम, ये माई रिजल्ट्स में आएगा तो आप 1 मार्क पर उसको दे सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू डू इट.
Just
the same the one thing I really liked about word wall was the same activity with changes. I could do the same activity with my students in another form, and the content also I had changed.
Meenu ma'am, unme automatically the points were coming like 6 or 5, the depending on the time that the kid was taking.
By word wall only ma'am, वो आपने नहीं करना.
ठीक.
वो 1 मार्क पर वो लेता है, what do you call 1 mark per question. या इसकी आई थिंक कोई सेटिंग थी तो सही. आई फॉरगेट वेयर इज दैट सेटिंग. आई थिंक वो इंटरनल उन्होंने कोई सेटिंग कर रखी है. आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दैट सेटिंग. मुझे एक बार मिली थी, फिर मैं बाद में मेरे को याद ही नहीं रहा वो कहाँ मैंने देखी है.
So like the child took another chance. जब पहले उसका wrong हुआ था तो next time he got 5. Which means maybe they are
तो वो better one ले लेगा. वो better one ले लेगा.
हाँ.
One more thing, Meenu ma'am, like once we have created and we have shared the link through chat box of Teams. So apart from Teams app, what do the children need?
Sorry,
to attempt that? What do the children need? Do they need any Google account or anything else?
नहीं कुछ नहीं संदीप मैम,
that is what they told us.
कुछ भी नहीं. That is why I really like this app. कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, is it for word wall or is it the same for Padlet also?
Padlet also and word wall both.
Okay. They can simply click on the link, attempt it and submit it.
Correct. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. Once when I'm free also, I will do Edpuzzle with you. Edpuzzle is a wonderful app which allows you to do revisions in class using videos, and you can add MCQs in your videos. And even your voice also to a video. If you want to give a voice over to a specific video, you can do that also. It's a wonderful app. I would love to do that with you. Let the exams be over and then probably we can arrange another one. And you don't have to even create your own video. आप YouTube से video उठा सकते हो. हाँ जी, sorry JJ ma'am.
Can you repeat the name of this app once? The one that you're talking about?
Edpuzzle.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I've taken various sessions on Edpuzzle, so if you want, I can send you the recording also.
That's I think another app ना Edpuzzle.
Yeah. That's another app.
है ना.
वो इसलिए मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि in class when you want to do the revision and you want to give them questions also. So आप एक वीडियो चला रहे हो, वो वीडियो आप normally in a class आप दिखाते ही हो, but उसके साथ आप questions add भी कर पा रहे हो, so you come to know कि बच्चों ने कितना अच्छा समझा, कितना नहीं समझा अच्छे से.
हाँ मीनू मैम, उसका फिर भेज देना, या मे बी एज यू आर टेलिंग लेटर ऑन अगर आप ले लोगे उसका सेशन, और मे बी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग आपकी भेज देना.
हाँ, मैं वीडियो तो भेज ही दूंगी. Then if you want a further session on that, I'll do that with you also.
Sure, thank you.
So are you comfortable with this? Any other questions?
Yeah, ma'am, just one thing. So now whenever we log out from this word wall and then again we log in, so वो automatically हमारे वो Google से ही connect होके?
हाँ जी मैम, correct.
अपने आप ना, हाँ, तो we don't have to, I mean,
मैम
as
अगर
it is.
आपका ईमेल आईडी लॉग्ड इन है ना तो आप वर्ड वॉल में जाओगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका लॉगिन कर लेगा. इफ यू आर लाइक आई एम नॉट लॉग्ड इन इनटू माय ईमेल अकाउंट राइट नाउ सो आई हैड टू लॉग इन.
हाँ. So it is just that ना, that Google Gmail से आपको लॉगिन ही करना है आपने.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है.
Okay, there's one small thing that I wanted to share with you. This is not the part of this what I had said that I will do today, but ये मुझे बहुत interesting लगा था और ये मैंने अपनी क्लास में भी किया था. So I thought I'll just give you an introduction और ये बहुत छोटा 1 मिनट का ही है. So this is called wheel of names. So this is spin the wheel होता है ना, तो वो spin the wheel आप कर सकते हो. You can add the names here. अगर आपने names कहीं पर type करके भी रखे हैं तो वहाँ से copy paste भी आप कर सकते हो. So just click on spin और वो spin करेगा. So the name of the child आया, so you can ask the child to speak out or you are explaining something, तो वो concepts का नाम भी आप इनमें लिख सकते हो. So after the child's name comes, then you can remove it also कि next time वो नाम ना आए. So then again you can spin this. इसमें एक चीज अच्छी है, you can add images also. So if you want to talk about images, this is just a small this thing जो आपकी monotony break करेगा of the class. So you can add images also. So for example,
it's wheel of names.
Wheel of names. So I have this of a session that I took, so I can just add them. So yeah. So when you spin और वो particular image पर आया, so you can talk about that image. There are lots of settings in this. You can go through the settings also. You can change this clapping sound and make it something else also. So this is there.
So while spinning में किसी image पे आता तो maybe you can name any child to talk about that particular image.
Or if you want, as I said, you can add the images. You want to talk about the images, then you can spin the wheel and then you can talk about that particular image. ये मुझे वाइवा में मैंने एक बार यूज किया था because then students were like कि मैम हमेशा हमारा 20 number of students या 40 नंबर जिनका रोल नंबर होता है कहते हैं मैम हमेशा लास्ट आते हैं. So I had done this. So किसी को भी नहीं मालूम किसका नंबर आएगा.
So it's either way, either you can speak or the child can be given a chance.
So this is just a little colorful, thoda sa it brings a little bit of jest in the class. That's it. This is wheelofnames.com. Okay. So the last one that I'm going to do today is straw poll. So you can open another tab and you can type straw poll. Strawpoll.com. So you can again sign up. I'm going to log in. So you'll get a dashboard like this. Or you might get something like a create poll like this. Have you reached here?
We have to click on create poll one.
If you've reached here, then I'll move forward. Everybody's reached here?
We have reached on that page, create a poll.
You have to click on login at the top. Have you done that? Or sign up? You're doing it for the first time, so click on sign up.
Just
take 1 minute, doesn't matter.
Ma'am, it's directly coming to create a straw poll in seconds.
नहीं, don't do that मैम, क्योंकि वो आपका फिर सेव नहीं होगा, so और वो आप शेयर भी नहीं कर पाओगे अच्छे से.
So you mean I need to log out and then
yeah, you log in, you sign up
log
for
in.
the
Okay,
account.
okay. हाँ, login आ गया, ठीक है. The Gmail ID will work?
हाँ जी. This students can do through their phones also, so you will not have any problem. This is like a normal poll. If at the end of the class you want to do a quick question, just to understand, you know, how many students have understood a particular concept, so you can use this option. So once you've reached the dashboard, everybody's reached the dashboard, then I'm going to click on create poll. Can I do that?
Yes,
just a minute, ma'am.
We have
Just
reached
a minute.
the dashboard.
So click on create poll, and this box will open up, so you can type the question. So since I am going to give you this poll, so I'll give the question. Like now I want people to answer in the different categories. So I'm going to give you this question. You can give it according to, you can give a description, and then you can give your answer options. Okay, so you can. So like this. Now you can either have the students entering their names, so they must be entering their names, or you can have students giving the answers again and again. Okay, so you can do that also. I generally don't go for that. Okay, that the students give the answer again and again. I just say that it should be once only, and I make it private that it should be via direct link. I share the link and then only they can answer. So this is what I generally do. It's up to you. You can set a deadline also for the poll. Okay, you can add an image also to the poll, and then you click on create poll. Okay, just give the question. If you want to give any description, you can do that. You can also paste the answers if you have the answers somewhere as an MCQ, so you can paste the answers also. Otherwise you type the answers in the different boxes. As you keep on adding, the number of boxes also keep on increasing, so there is no restriction to the number of boxes. Okay, now I'm going to click on create poll. So now this is going to give me the link. I'm going to click on share, and it's going to give me the shareable link. So I'm going to click on copy link now. Okay, so now I'm going to go on Teams, and I'm going to share the link here. So now you can answer this poll. So then if you want to view the results, you can click on results here. Everything is on the screen, so you can see the results also. And if you have auto refresh, this is off right now. If you have auto refresh on, this will automatically refresh the votes as you keep on voting. Otherwise, if you switch it off, then I will have to click on refresh results again and again. So it's up to you.
Meenu ma'am, once again, what's the use of that auto refresh thing?
Yeah, so if I have switched it to off, so I have to click on refresh again and again while the students are voting. So if it is on, this work is done on its own by poll straw. So you don't have to do it, straw poll.
Okay, okay. So the result will come as in totality, right?
Yeah, Yeah. No, it will keep on refreshing while the students are voting. So while you people are voting, please vote. Yeah. So like one student has voted, now it is refreshed on its own.
अच्छा अच्छा, as and when they
अलग-अलग
are
options पे
voting.
click करो तो वो idea लग जाएगा कि कैसे दिखता है poll. So everybody doesn't have to do it on children. कोई बेचारे husband को भी कर दो.
Okay.
So if you see, it is like refreshing on its own. So right now I have 50-50%. One vote for husband and one vote for children. So like this, it will keep on changing.
Acha, it's the same way as we get response on forms once the kids keep on answering. So if it's a correct answer.
But ये मैम
that
one
one-
question पे होता है. Poll actually एक single question होता है. End of the session पे ना आप एक single question देना चाहते हो, which will gather the crux of the understanding of the students. तो generally poll उसके लिए होता है.
ठीक.
या फिर इन द बिगनिंग जैसे मैं करती हूँ अपनी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्लास में, मैं इन द बिगनिंग ले लेती हूँ कि व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, और एक एंड में लेती हूँ सो दैट आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो बिगनिंग में मुझे दिखाई देता है कि कंफ्यूजन है बच्चों में, एंड एंड ऑफ द सेशन तक मुझे पता चल जाता है कि एटलीस्ट कुछ बच्चों को तो कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया. सो आई डू इट लाइक दैट. सो इट्स अप टू यू.
So it's more like getting a feedback.
Yeah, yeah. Have you got, yeah, so you've got the hang of it. So now I have people who have responded. So now I'm getting more answers.
Can we do it on phone?
Sorry, ma'am?
Can we do it on phone?
Can you do it on poll? Poll is another software.
Phone. Ma'am, phone.
Through mobile, she's asking.
Mobile.
हाँ, mobile पे कर सकते हैं. Phone, अच्छा, phone. Yeah. This, you can open it on phone also.
Okay.
There are various apps for polls. This was the easiest, so I use this. Otherwise, there are others also, but this is the easiest. Okay, you've got the hang of it. In WordWall, I just wanted to tell you, I have taken only 2 or 3 examples when I'm doing the various activities with you. You can obviously take up to 10 or 15 or 20 examples as much as you are comfortable with. Because of the shortness of time, I took only 2 or 3. Otherwise, everybody would have got confused and it would have taken a longer time. So I have taken only 2-3 examples. You can obviously add on to the activity.
Meenu ma'am, what's the way of adding into while we were typing the question there itself?
Yeah. Just add phrase. You click on add phrase. So I'll just go to WordWall again.
हाँ, वो उसमें था add phrase वाला, right?
हाँ. So you go to my activities and here you can just click on edit content, and here just click on add phrase.
Right. Actually, something similar can happen on this straw poll also. I mean, more questions can be added.
No, ma'am. Only one question per poll. You can add more polls. You can create another poll.
Achha.
Nobody voted for mummy?
Actually, the most loved person. So chances given to others.
Especially after marriage. Especially after
Right.
marriage, the daughters
Agree.
gravitate towards mothers.
Fully agree.
Otherwise, before marriage, we are all fathers' girls.
True.
So you can go and create another poll here. You can see my dashboard also. Like I keep doing it for my AI students. So I have this with AI. So initially I give it, and then of course later on then I am explain the concept to them. So it's up to them how they go through the poll. At least I get an idea whether they've understood the concept or not. You can add another question by clicking on create poll. So this is just one question per poll. You can't add more questions in this.
So dashboard shows you the different polls that you have taken.
Yeah. So you can use the same poll again also. It's not you have to use the you have to create more polls. You can use the same poll again also.
Acha, by changing the time you can again.
Yeah. So you can you see the results. Okay, then you can go to back to poll, or you can click on share also. And then if you see who voted for what, you can see this also. But this you can only see if you have given add the names. If the name option is not there in the settings, you have not given, then you will not be able to see the names.
But the result will be there even if the names are not there.
मैम रिजल्ट तो यहाँ दिख ही रहा है ना?
नहीं, अगर मान लो आपको सिर्फ वोट वही करेंगे जिनके नेम्स आएंगे एज पर योर सेटिंग.
नहीं मैंने क्या किया था शेयर में ना, व्हेन आई क्रिएटेड अ पोल, यहाँ पर मैंने एडवांस सेटिंग्स में यहाँ पर वोटर्स मस्ट एंटर देयर नेम्स टिक किया था.
हाँ ठीक है, वो फिर कंपल्सरी
अगर आपने ये नहीं किया तो वोटर्स के नाम नहीं आएंगे. अदरवाइज इफ यू टिक दिस देन वोटर्स के नाम आएंगे.
ठीक.
So I'm going to stop the recording now.